Hi friends, I wanted to go over what we talked about in our first session in group this week if you missed it. Last week we talked about addition facts of 10, and if we had 10 apples, how many combinations of green and red apples could we have? You guys did a great job with that, but this week, math will be a little bit different. This week we looked into different word problems and really thought about what are these problems trying to tell us, and what are we supposed to do to solve the problem. So let's look at some of the problems that we talked about. This first problem is in the red box, and this is how it reads. Close your eyes to really think about what is happening in the problem, what are we trying to figure out, and what are some information from the problem that can help us figure out the answer. Close your eyes. Miss Pan is having a pizza party. She has 3 slices of cheese and 4 slices of pepperoni pizza. How many slices does she have in all? One more time. Close your eyes and really think about what's happening in the story. Miss Pan is having a pizza party. She has 3 slices of cheese and 4 slices of pepperoni pizza. How many slices does she have in all? All right, so what is happening in this problem? When I was in group, Penelope told me that Miss Pan is having a pizza party. That's why she has all this pizza. Timothy told me that we are trying to figure out how many slices Miss Pan has all together. All together. Or let's use the problem. In all. In all. In all. Nice. Freya told me that the information that we can use in the problem to help us figure out the answer is that I have 3 slices of cheese and 4 slices of pepperoni pizza. Now this problem is called an addition problem. Can you say addition? Nice. An addition problem has us thinking about how many slices or things in all, and there's usually multiple parts that we have to put together. So Freya told us there's a part of 3 and a part of 4. Nice job thinking about that addition problem. Now let's think about a different kind of problem. This next problem is in the green box. Again, please close your eyes so you can really think about what is happening in the story. Let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. All right. The problem says, Miss Pan is having a pizza party. The cheese pizza she ordered has 10 slices. She eats 3 slices. How many slices are left for people to eat? One more time. Really close your eyes and think about what is happening in this story. Miss Pan is having a pizza party. The cheese pizza she ordered has 10 slices. She eats 3 slices. How many slices are left for people to eat? All right. What is happening in this story? Charlotte told us that I'm still having a pizza party. Miss Pan is having a pizza party. She also told us some information. She said there's 10 slices to start with, and then Miss Pan ate 3. Dominic told us that we are trying to figure out how many pizza slices are left. This is called a subtraction problem. Can you say subtraction? A subtraction problem also has different parts, but there's a starting number, and our starting number is 10 here. A takeaway number, a number that in this case, I ate 3 slices. So our takeaway number is 3. And Dominic told us that we're trying to figure out how many slices are left for people to eat. This is a subtraction problem. Nice job. Before we get started solving one of these problems, I wanted to go over some symbols and words that we use for addition problems and subtraction problems. So let's start with this first one. This is a sign, kind of looks like a T, but we call this a plus sign. Which side should it go on? The addition red side or the subtraction green side? You're right, it should go on the addition red side. We use the plus symbol to figure out addition problems. Now if we use the plus symbol, where should the minus symbol go? You're right, on the green subtraction side. We also used the word plus and minus just now, and we said that in addition, we use the plus sign, so the word plus has to go on the red side, and the word minus will go on the green side, because this is a minus sign. Nice job. Here are two other words, add and subtract. Where should the word add go? Under the red addition side or the green subtraction side? You're right, it goes under the red addition side. Add, addition. Then we have subtract, subtraction. So subtract goes on the green side. Here's some other words. This box says in all. Where do we try to figure out how many there are in all? On the red addition side or the green subtraction side? Yeah, on the red addition side. We're trying to figure out how many slices does she have in all when we talk about addition. This box says take away. Take away. Where do we find a part that we need to take away? The red addition side or the green subtraction side? Yeah, the green subtraction side. How many slices are left for people to eat? Because I ate 3 slices, so we need to take 3 away. Here's a tricky one. We have the word less and the word more. I want you to think about the answer to our addition problem and the answer to our subtraction problem. In an addition problem, if we're adding 2 parts, will our answer be less or more than when we started? You're right, it will be more. 3 plus 4 will be more than 3 or 4. So if addition is more, then subtraction has to be less. When we figure out the answer to a subtraction problem, it will be less than our starting number, 10. All right, so we have the plus symbol, the word plus, add, in all, and more for our addition side. And we have the minus symbol, the word minus, subtract, take away, and less for our subtraction side. Nice job, friends. Okay, if you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper, please bring that out so that we can figure out our next problem. This is the same problem from our last slide, the red one. So we're doing addition. Listen to the problem, and I want you to answer the problem using numbers, pictures, and an equation. Miss Pan is having a pizza party. She has 3 slices of cheese and 4 slices of pepperoni pizza. How many slices does she have in all? There are those words again, in all. So this is an addition problem, and we know that our answer will be more than 3 and more than 4. Take a moment to figure out how you can represent this problem using pictures, labeled with numbers, and use an equation. If you want, you can pause the video right here. Nice job. If you're back with an answer, I'm going to show you what some friends shared with me while we were in group. One friend told me to start out by making 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. This friend also labeled 1, 2, 3. One friend told me to divide, to break up the 2 groups with a line. And she also said to make 4 of a different shape. So we're going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we're using 4 circles because there were 4 slices of pepperoni pizza. We're using 3 triangles because there were 3 slices of cheese. Now, some friends labeled these last 4 in a different way. One friend decided to do 4, 5, 6, 7, to count on from 3. And from that, they figured out that the answer was 7 slices. Remember, we need to label our answer so that people reading and seeing our work knows exactly what we're talking about. We're not talking about stickers or students or lunches. We're talking about 7 slices of pizza. I'm going to circle my answer so people know that this is my answer. 7 slices. Now, there were 2 equations that we found in group. One of them started with 3 slices of cheese plus 4 slices of pepperoni, which equals 7. And another friend found a different equation. They started with 4 slices of pepperoni plus 3 slices of cheese, which equals the same number, 7. Remember, because this is addition, we can flip 3 and 4 to make it 4 and 3, or flip 4 and 3 to make it 3 and 4. But this only happens in addition. Nice job, friends. Now, this next part is our subtraction problem. I'm not going to share the answer that friends got because we're going to do that in next group, but I am going to set you up in how to figure out the answer to the problem. So, this story reads, Miss Pan is having a pizza party. The cheese pizza she ordered has 10 slices. She eats 3 slices. How many slices are left for people to eat? This is a subtraction problem. So our equation is going to look a little bit different. We're going to have a starting number. And then we're going to take away, that's the subtraction symbol, we're going to take away a takeaway number to get how many are left. What's the starting number here? The cheese pizza she ordered has 10 slices. What's our takeaway number? She eats 3 slices. And we're trying to figure out how many slices are left for people to eat. Use this to help you figure out an equation to show the problem. Another friend also said that we can set up by making 10 shapes. She decided to use circles. So we'll do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have our 10 starting number. Now how might you show 3 being taken away? Use this equation setup and this drawing setup to help you get ready for the next group session. When you're done, take a picture and share it with me or Miss Sedman. Bye for now.